In the 0.20 release of CI/CD Assets Visual Studio Code Extension, what we provided was the ability to add a project name when you are downloading the .github files from one of the commands. So if we go and have a look at what's going on there and go up to the command palette and just type in CI/CD, and I click on the download GitHub files action, what would have happened previously is just all of those .github files would have been immediately downloaded into my workspace. But now, if I click on this, I'll be prompted for what is the project name that I'm interested in. So as an example, let's just call this Project Bob. So what that's going to do is it's still going to download the same files that it did before. But if we go ahead and look at the second file here, which is the contributing.md, then in here, it will actually replace a placeholder value with the value that you provided. So the way that looks like in code, so we go up here and have a look at the file that's actually downloaded. So that would actually be in the other repository. If I go over here and look at the actual assets folder, what we've got in here in the contributing.md is if we look at the raw value, then there is this tokenized value of project name. So wherever that project name token value is found across any of the markdown files, it'll now be replaced with what you put in. So again, it's just one of those, one more thing that you don't have to do anymore. You can provide that project name at the time of downloading those .github files, and it will be immediately replaced in there. So not the most important feature, but certainly something that is easier for me to not have to worry about doing that now. I'm now prompted with that to provide that information as part of the adding of these files into one of my repositories. So hopefully this is of use to you. If you've got any other suggestions about what can be added to this extension, definitely feel free to reach out. Thank you very much.